Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use e-file drill bits. First, let's understand the basics. E-file drill bits are specialized tools designed for various nail services, from shaping acrylics to removing gel polish. They come in different materials like carbide, ceramic, and diamond, each suited for specific tasks. Knowing your bits helps you achieve professional results while protecting the natural nail. We'll cover selecting the right bit, proper technique, and essential safety tips to get you started. Choosing the correct e-file bit is key for effective and safe nail work. Consider the material. Carbide bits are excellent for quickly reducing acrylic, while ceramic bits generate less heat, making them ideal for gel removal. Diamond bits are perfect for cuticle work and natural nail prep. Pay attention to the grit. A coarse grit removes significant product, whereas a fine grit is for smoothing and finishing. Different shapes like barrel or cone serve distinct purposes, so match the bit to your task. Mastering your e-file technique ensures precision and prevents damage. Always hold the e-file like a pencil, keeping a light, consistent pressure. Start with a low to medium speed around 5,000 to 15,000 RPM and gradually increase if needed. Work in one direction, moving the bit smoothly across the nail surface. Avoid sawing back and forth, which can cause friction and heat. Keep the bit flat against the nail, never digging into the plate, to maintain control and protect the client's natural nail. Proper care and safety are paramount when using e-file drill bits. Always clean and sanitize your bits thoroughly after each client to prevent cross-contamination and ensure longevity. Store them properly to protect their cutting edges. For your safety, always wear eye protection and a dust mask to avoid inhaling fine particles. Remember, practice makes perfect, so start slow and build your confidence. Also, make sure to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.